Okay, I was just adjusting my cameras a little bit here, getting ready for the next shot, and the radio suddenly just kind of popped into life here. And it may be popping out. Let's just check something here. Oh. Okay. Well, I think what that says is that connection is almost 100%. Or to put it another way, that connection is no good. It's almost 100%. It's not too good. So we'll just give it another whooping of solder. I wonder if I should put solder paste on there. I wonder if that would help the situation. Now, before I do this though, I think I'm just going to try to shift it a little bit. And just a little bit. In the hopes that the little wire would be less likely to spring off. I don't know, boy. I think I just undid it. That's all that happened there. Wow. I think sometimes I let the camera get in the way too much here. Maybe that looks good. Looks good from here. Let's see what it looks like when I look up close. Oh yeah, man. Certainly worth a try. Okay, how are we set for safety here? Everything looks good. Okay. Yeah. No, I don't think it worked. I'd hope to get a high voltage at this point too. But I don't. I don't. So he's failed to make the connection through that coil. The coil actually is the upper coil. Well, we're right on the problem here. The solution is not working. It's not the problem, it's the solution here. Well, I think I can just keep retrying it. That's for sure. Let me take another close look at it. Man, that looks good. I mean, I can see the wires go into solder, come out the other end of solder up against the bigger copper wire. I mean, really, that can't be the problem. Okay. I think here's what I need to do. I need to switch radios for a while, maybe. I'm going to have to leave it here for now. Ponder my next move. Could be bring the whole coil out, that kind of stuff. Yeah. Too bad. But here's where we sit. I think it actually is connected, but I find like one strand, and I've got to get it up to a few more strands of wire. And wow, it's tiny, tiny stuff. No, it's not connected at all. Lucky soldering, I might be able to get it. Wow, can't see a thing compared to what I see when I look through that magnifying glass. I'm just going to have to go on memory here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Don't know. Oh, this is not going well at all. No, it's not going well. Okay, excuse me. So I think I'm going to change the geometry here a little bit. And bend this back wire here. Bend our stiff wire. So that it's more like something the other wire can lay across instead of along. I was trying to get them to go along. Nah, just trying to get them to go across. Just please go across. Let's see. Let's see what happened there. Oh, it's an exciting turn of events. What am I seeing there? Unbelievable. I've actually managed to, now that the wires are crossed, actually got that happening. Now, if I just solder it without disturbing it, it should stick. And we can only hope there's somewhere in there there's an electrical contact. Get my elbow set here. Hey, I caught you guys midstream that time with a hot soldering iron in the hand. Yeah, I think that's my next studio project, is how to put these cameras in places where I'm not going to send them. Okay, well, I think we should take a look and see how we are in terms of did I get this or not. Not exactly sure what I just saw, so let me take a look with the magnifier. Wow, it's really hard to say what's going on there. Think. Yeah, how do you like that? That wire's had more slack in it this whole time than I realized. It's just stuck in the wax of the coil. Once more, let's try again. Cool. That looks pretty good. Gotta apply more solder. It looks really good, but I think it just needs more solder on it. The wires really aren't captured in the solder. Okay, now. Oh, look out. That oh, look out was I almost knocked the other camera over. Man, I don't know if I've ever soldered something so many times. Let's give it another go here. It's getting better every time I do this. So. Boy, that either fixed it or really wrecked it. I got it. Hey, I got it. Wow. That was an effort. Hey, let's see if it works. Oh, I guess we can try just with the ohm meter. First off. Why not? Ha! Bingo. Bingo. Now, let's give this thing a try here. What do you say we do that? Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up of it here. Here it comes. You can get a look at it. You know, it's such a small thing, it's hard for the camera to focus on it. There it is. There it is. So why don't we get it ready to operate now? Volume is down. And everything's ready. There we go. Sounds like it's about ready. Okay, what band are we on now? Oh! Oh! That sounds pretty good. Let's take a little reading on the meter here. That's the main V plus on the capacitor, and I'll turn that down a bit. And we'll try now. 1, 2, 3, right here. Bingo! Bingo. Have my hand in the way for that moment? Nope. Excellent. Round of applause. Although, wow, I swam around that problem, bumped into it, must be 3 times before finally I realized what it is that's actually happening. Now let's make this thing actually work for real. Okay, this is the high shortwave band. Well, it's picking up lots of stuff, but I think it's all just noise. Oh, there's Mr. Signal Generator. Can only take so much of that. Okay, so that's 10. Where are we at? We're at 10.17. And on the actual dial, we're at 10.7, not 10.17, but 10.7. So not right on the dial, but hey, there we are. So time to finish off the alignment, I think. Be able to align this coil for the first time. I think the radio is going to get a big boost after this. And that's what's left to be done. Alignment. And then we play around with it for a bit. And just have a listen to the short wave on it. Great. Hey, I'm happy. I'm a happy guy. Even though, you know what? I'm probably the guy who broke the wire. Jeepers. Well, onward.